Tool-free installation on car windshields with powerful suction cup. Compatible with Topeak Ridecase and smartphone dry bags. Adjustable angle and rotates for landscape or portrait view. Weight 100 grams. RideCase Car mount allows you to mount Topeak Ridecase or phone dry bags to your windshield. A powerful suction cup provides tool-free installation. Mount feature angle adjustment and rotation for landscape or portrait viewing. Top reviews from the United States. Brings Ridecase practicality to the automobile. This is a solid car mount and allows one to use their Ridecase-equipped phone in a vehicle. The business end of the mount has a 360-degree swivel, and the arm at the suction attachment pivots and locks. Build quality is on par with the Ridecase and the Ridecase bike mounts. I finally caved in and bought this after having a Ridecase for months and wondered why I hadn't purchased this sooner. I'd recommend for anyone with a Ridecase-equipped phone.